Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Hammer Down Motorsports. And if you're wondering why I'm saying good morning and it's dark out, is because, well, today I was up at 3:45 a.m. so we could get out to Cars and Coffee, and we're going to meet a bunch of people over at the Sheets, and we're all going to drive in together. So in order to get a good spot for the season opener, this is what time you got to wake up. So this is all for you people. Okay, we got our Red Bull, we got our Tim Hortons coffee in the K-Cup because we're not in Canada, and we're off. Well, we're cruising into the sunrise with a lineup of awesome cars. It's a good day to be a car guy in America.
All right, we're here with Rich, and this is his absolutely insane F350. Tell us a little bit about it.
It's a 2016 F350 King Ranch. It's got a 10-inch BDS lift kit, powder-coated electric blue, everything. It's got 24 by 16 wide, specialty forges, with 38-inch tires, and they're about 13.5 inches, so about a 3-inch stretch. EGR delete, DPF delete. Nice little tune on it, pretty much it.
You gotta tell us, how big is that tip?
10-inch tip.
10-inch tip.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't go any bigger than that?
They do make a 12, but I don't want to overdo it.
Yeah, you don't want to overdo it. Not at all, right? Awesome truck, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you, bro. Have a great day.
Too. So I got here probably about 6:45 or so, looking for Nick. Thought he slept in, thought he wasn't even gonna come. And then, yeah, it turns out that if you have two ZL1s, you can come here at like, that's Mike, by the way. You can come here at 9 o'clock because they reserve spots for you.
Exactly.
All right, we're here with Bill, the owner of the twin-engine Cavalier. Tell us a little bit about it.
Two 3.4s, both automatics. The only thing that ties the two engines together is the throttle cable. Total separate systems. I can run the front engine or the rear engine or both at the same time.
Right on. Thanks, Bill. Appreciate you telling us a little bit about the car. This is something I have never seen before, and I doubt anybody's going to see pretty much anywhere. So
it is one of a kind, and I built it 3 years ago and replaced a few parts since then because I am hard on it. I want to see what's going to break, what's going to last.
That's research and development
there you
at
go.
its finest.
There
All right, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, everybody, that was Lehigh Valley Cars and Coffee. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and keep that hammer down.